Before coding anything, I like to take a step back and analyze what I'm trying to achieve. Cutting down the problem in small logical pieces helps a lot going in the right direction.
Our very first piece is the ammunition. In real world, it may contain one single large projectile or many smaller pellets. Because we are in a video game, we will make it more generic and let it accept any kind of projectile. Ammunition will define a limited set of compatible weapons.
Each weapon has its own type: pistol, machine gun, shotgun, and can be loaded with ammunition up to a max count. It's the magazine size. Reloading this magazine takes time. There is single-shot firearm, but also semi-automatic and automatic. We will simplify this concept to a burst capacity, allowing to shoot a specific number of rounds, along with a delay between two rounds. Barrels can be more or less precise and will add a random dispersion value when shooting projectile. Barrels vary in size, so we will require a muzzle to be defined. Muzzle will be an empty game object placed at the end of the barrel. It will serve as a starting position for the muzzle flash. Muzzle flashes are a visual effect caused by the explosion of the ammunition. It will vary in size, shape, and color depending on the weapon and ammo type. Along with explosion, a number of projectiles are cast forward with a specific velocity. They can only travel up to a max distance. In reality, projectile velocity will decrease over time, making them pull down by gravity. We don't need such a precision in physics, so we will simply add an animation curve to mimic the ballistic. Projectile will carry its own damage definition, including the element type and the quantity of damage. Eventually, projectile will collide with something, may it be a body, a wall, a crate. I will call it a structure to keep generic. This structure can be made of different matter and may react differently to the damage received. It will also have a specific number of health points. I'm missing an important part, and I guess you got it. There is nothing yet to notify the player a structure was damaged. I will add two types of visual effect, one for projectile impact and one for potential damage over time. To control the complex relation between all this, I will create a main manager. It will keep prefab references and return the correct game object based on type relation. For example, the right muzzle flash for given combination of weapon and ammo, or the right impact effect given a matter and an element.